Hey, what's going on, guys? I have the Bold N1 right here, and I did a video a few days ago where I did an update for the Android 10, and I was able to get Android 10 on here through the beta update on the Bold N1 website. So now I'm doing an update video to share with you guys the update, because I was in that video I was letting you know that I did update this device to the September, well, actually I did update it to Android 10. So you can see right here it's on Android 10, and one of the things I said in that video was that the pop-up selfie camera stopped working, which it did. So what I went ahead and did is I did a factory reset on this device, and what happened was now the pop-up selfie camera is working now. So you can see right now, I'm able to take a portrait photo right here on the front facing camera. I could press that button. You can actually toggle the portraits here. Okay, so I just took a nice portrait photo on here. I don't like the way that came out at all. Let me see. Maybe that's better, I don't know. Yeah, that's better. That's a lot better. But you can see that the front facing camera is now working, guys. I just want to let you know that everything is working on here now on Android 10. So the speakers work really well. Let me just go into this one. You can hear that sounds really loud. Really beautiful. Look at the screen, and the colors on this screen are amazing. It's an AMOLED, the panel. So it's just really good, guys. The panel on this phone is great, and it has Android 10 on it now. Let me take off the cover. The cover is still clear. It's not yellow, and I've had this phone for a long time, and the cover is still clear. So I might buy a new clear cover in a little bit, but look at the back of it. It's got this nice raven black color on it, and the phone is sick. It's got dual cameras, wireless charging. So that's probably my favorite feature, because I was just charging my AirPods on my wireless charger right here. I was just charging them, and they're almost fully charged. Well, not really, but once those are done, you could actually I could put my phone on here, and that can charge as well. You can see the animation for the wireless charging looks really cool. I just think that is sick for a phone of $199 to be able to have wireless charging. It's really sick. So I definitely am using this Bold M1 right now as my main phone. I also do have the Honor X10 5G as well, and that phone is really great. So I might do a comparison of the two. But I just wanted to make this updated video and let you guys know that the Bold M1 is actually working with the Android 10. So if you want to go ahead into the Bold N1, they have this thing right here where you can actually download the version of Android 10. Just sign up through their website right here, blueproducts.com/Android, and you just go to the Android 10 beta. Be the first to get Android 10 on your N1, and you can go right here, enter your info, and they'll send it to you overnight. So I just want to do this quick updated video, nothing too long. This phone is amazing though. The screen is great. You can see right here the drop down menu looks really great. The colors, everything, the speed. I would recommend getting one. It's unlocked. You can use it for Metro or Cricket Wireless or AT&T or T-Mobile. That color on the back is phenomenal. But I'll get right back with you guys. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. I'll get right back with you. Peace.